Hey up, it's been a while. Hope you're all well. It's been bloody freezing here, which is why we've got a fire. Before we get into the latest Marina update, we've got some news. We've been invited by the Marina Owners Club to show the GT on their stand at the Practical Classics Restoration Show. That means we need to get the car mobile by the 21st of March. So, if you want to see what a group of imbeciles can do to a 70s classic, we urge you to seek out the stand and say hello. We'll be giving more details in future videos, including where to get a discount code. So, we hope to see you then. You may remember a few episodes ago, Matt painted his freshly rebuilt engine. Well, we've hit a bit of a problem.
That's the Marina flywheel, which we had balanced. Which had balance to the crank and everything. Like so. Like so.
Yeah, it's balanced.
It's balanced. That's the Marina flywheel. We're dead excited, weren't we? When it fly, you know, and the clutch cover as well, all balanced. So we put the MGB backplate on, didn't we? Because we're fitting an MGB gearbox, which means we need an MGB starter motor. Because the Marina starter motor wouldn't fit in the MGB backplate. So when we put it on, we thought, oh, aren't we clever? That's what happened.
It engages.
That's what we noticed. Yes. So clearly. So unfortunately, this nice lightened Marina flywheel, which is now for sale, along with the Marina starter motor. So this is the flywheel which we found at the bottom of an ocean. So thankfully it is larger. So unfortunately, because we've now got a new flywheel, we need to remove the crank. We need to remove the crank to get it all rebalanced. Rebalanced. What? Twat. So as Simon said, jeopardy. MGB backplate, MGB starter motor, MGB, yes, that will engage nicely. So this now needs to be sandblasted. So we'll sandblast that, and it's going to go. Hopefully, I wonder if this will fit. What do you reckon? Woo! Right, so that's the Marina plate, but it also fits the MGB, so we're alright, aren't we? Whether we use that, which is a plate for the Triumph engine, for the Triumph gearbox. So I don't really like that.
Does that input shaft fit there?
Yes, it does, amazingly enough. The input shaft, the Triumph gearbox, is the same as the MGB gearbox, so that plate will fit the MGB box, but it's quite small. You noticed? So I don't know whether might get another plate. Although I'm saying that, I don't know, it's there, look. It's the same size as the original MGB, isn't it? So if anybody can comment if that is any worse nor better than that, you know, in the normal plate with where it has like separate sections. And if it's alright, we'll fit that. So I just need someone to blast this. It's full of grease, but a bit of something on there. And then we'll get the crank stripped out of that, take it all to bits again, just so we can fit an MGB gearbox. Oh look, that's everything is nice. Ultrasonic cleaner, massive. I coerced my brother into buying it, so we should clean some bits in there, shouldn't we? Or chips.
Yeah.
Fry some
Fry
chips.
some
doesn't it?
chips.
It does get up. It does get to about 100 degrees, I think, or 80, 90 degrees. Get very hot. So, yes. So we've got to strip that chuffing thing down now, which is quite frustrating. So it means that we put the back plate on, didn't we? Well sealed it on. All the front timing has been put on. It's all been timed up. So I've got to take it all off. But luckily, I think we've got enough gaskets. Yeah, look, we've got another gasket because I imagine it will ruin that when we take it off. We've got enough gaskets up front. I've got to take everything off. Basically all of it, down to an engine block.
Health and safety at work.
Focusing on his new trainers.
Look, there's only way to get out.
Don't fart.
Well. Just take a photo so I know which way around it goes in.
It goes up bottom of engine.
Right. Throat,
Nice clean rag.
it's going to get washed, isn't it?
Got the rag.
Right side. You live closest to Castleford.
Do you want to drop it off?
So we'll want anything rotating.
Can't take it tomorrow.
Oh, for chuff's sake! Oh, where's this crap? Hang on, no, I've got the wrong one. Pre-made Yorkshire tea. Whoa, look at that bad boy!
Just microwave it. I'm done with it.
Just microwave that, yeah. So Craig, veggie coffee. Wow. There's a lot of crap in that main, isn't there? I'll let Ryan do that one.
One of the reasons for the lack of episodes was that Simon's been doing little jobs on the floor that wouldn't be interesting, welding up pinholes, etc. So now, here, Simon and Ryan make a new arch and weld it in. We'll show this in more detail when we do the other side.
Hi.
Hello. Might as well watch you.
Oh, thanks. Put a bit more stuff on.
At the end of the evening, we discuss our next steps. For it to be on show at the NEC, we need it to be mobile. And before we can put the axle in, the underside needs to be painted. And before it can be painted, we need to make sure there's no rust there. That means we're going to sandblast it.
Did we do some of it, did we?
Yeah. That bit up there is done. It's this bit that's not.
So the car need turning the other way around
No,
now.
well, that's alright then, because all that rest of it, you just get wire wheel on that.
It's just that bit there. What you see there, and that bit down there.
Well, how come we not done that?
I don't know.
I'm lazy.
Well,
Well, no, that won't take 2 weeks to tick off then. Well, you know what we should do? I think we should, when we get it out, we'll put it up the other way up. We'll put it in the other way up. Right? Yeah?
I mean that is definitely rotten. Is that
Because then
that
we'll
bit
see.
is definitely rotten. So that's going to want replacing.
Well, let's put it in other way. So we know, and then obviously when we're looking at it from the other side, we'll see loads of it. Because we know all this is alright, don't we?
Well, fish.
We'll we'll still put some pallets down.
It'll be fine once it's
Put a few pallets down, put them on the pallets, and then at least bottom of the car will be there.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then there's some more chance of seeing stuff, and then you know.
Because before we put it on ramp, I need to weld those jacking points back up again once they're blasted. So I need it on its side so I can do that. Mike's done the.
Oh, we'll weld them on this weekend.
But I don't know where those bits that Craig did are. You know, the longer bit are there. Well, they're off of these.
Painted them.
Not yet, no.
Right. Okay, so we've got the cure rusty stuff.
We've got Curus and we've got the primer. What we haven't got is a sealer and the stone chip because I told him to get the primer first.
As long as they get some primer on it, we're right. I'm happy with that. That's good. That.
And then hopefully we'll get a discount code and then we can put the order in for the next batch.
We don't want to. You want to seam seal it before we put it on ramp and start looking out the tunnel. Or we should wait and seam seal it all.
No, we'll get the primer on first and then we'll just worry about it. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, to be honest with you, I have no doubt that as we start shot blasting this, we're going to find some bits where you could drain vegetables.
Well, I'll just stand really far back.
Yeah, please.
How many? I
Back
got 12,
Murfield.
30 feet. I got 12 toffee crisps.
Murfield.
Got 12 toffee crisps away.
Can you actually not put anything into the shot blasting
Yeah,
pot?
just blow air.
And just look like it's just to put anything in it. Alright, I'm nervous as hell.
We'll just throw stuff at it.
Yeah, let's do that. We'll just get a handful and let's do that. Because I know what you're like and it's just going to end up... Yeah, exactly.